Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining for the wonderful MOU signing ceremony. We'll be signing two MOUs, that is MIT Square and Farming for All, to increase the adoption of smart farming technologies as well as to support farmers' welfare across India. The second MOU is on Raj Square and Amar Push Educational and Welfare Society to increase the adoption of smart technologies to empower underprivileged students across India. And today is an auspicious day. In Tamil Nadu, we call it as Tamil Puttandu, which is Tamil New Year. The
Yes.
New Year is celebrated not only in Tamil Nadu, I think across India in the name of Ugadi, Baisakhi, Bihu, Vishu, Poila, Boisak, and so on. This is Thanksgiving Day by the farmers, and of course, to the farmers. I take this wonderful opportunity to thank all the farmers across India who are putting tremendous efforts in growing crops, and without them, we are nothing. So, seriously, hats off to all the farmers across India. We deeply thank you for all the efforts that you are putting in day in and day out. Without you all, I think we will not be able to see the food. So thank you so much for all the wonderful efforts that you have been doing over the ages and ages. Thank you so much. We generally start several initiatives on this auspicious day. To grace the occasion, we have an inspiring personality, Balasubramaniam sir, president of Mangal Deepam Trust, Tamil Nadu, who plays an active role in educational development, youth empowerment, women empowerment, and so on. Such a highly proactive and dynamic personality who is extremely keen to make a revolution in India by bringing positive changes to our society. It's a great honor, sir, for us to have you. Thank you so much for taking your time out in joining us, sir. Thank you so much once again. Uh,
Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Interestingly, today is the wedding anniversary of Ashish sir and Gitanjali ma'am, who are part of Farming for All and Amar Push Educational Society. Wish you a very, very happy anniversary. May you continue to love, cherish, and honor one another for years to come. May your lives be filled with success and your love be never ending. Happy anniversary, sir and ma'am, on behalf of everyone who's present here.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. It is a precious moment for us that on a new year and our wedding anniversary, we are joining hands together to support the farmer and children.
Definitely, sir and ma'am. Thank you so much. And now let us get into the action of MOU signing. And just a quick highlight, like if many people are not aware of what MOU is all about, I just want to give a very quick thing. Memorandum of Understanding, that's MOU, is just an outline of possible agreement where both organizations express their intent for serving the community. It is not actually a contract. It is just a set of guidelines or principles. You can term it as requirements, terms, maybe responsibilities that each party takes it and owns it and voluntarily come forward to participate. Signing a memorandum is not legally bounded by the terms, but of course, it is about defining the mutual goals and objectives among stakeholders and create a value to the society, create some value proposition. So we strongly believe both the organizations are joining hands together today, and we are extremely clear of the roles and responsibilities and how we are planning to lift our community. And it's fantastic that we are all joined hands together now. With this, we have Ashish sir, founder of Farming for All, who will enlighten us about this company. Over to you, sir.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Mitlesh, for this wonderful introduction. I would like to also welcome Dr. Amit Saigal. He is our part of a team and he is the advisor of Farming for All and Amar Push. And under his guidance, we have moved and worked on to developing a new technologies. So he is a key playing a key role in our both organization. I would like to welcome Mr. Aditya. He is our embedded system engineer, and he has been involved from the beginning for doing a POCs of this farming for all technologies. So he is also a key player, and Ms. Gitanjali is the co-founder of Farming for All, and she is the founder of Amar Push Educational and Welfare Society. So here it's all about the introduction about our team, and there are many other developers and people. And one more key person is Dr. Vivek, who is unfortunately not present in the same, but his guidance is also very important with respect to a farming for all. With farming for all, I would like say we are moving into bringing a smart technology inside uh, India so that it's a new trend. We need to onboard the organization and educate the farmer. Adoption of a new technology is very important, and we are also utilizing the vertical gardening, vertical section of the residential societies for a farming, because as we all know, the as we all know that our lands are decreasing, and it is population is growing out, and in the 2050 we have to grow more than 70% more food. And how we will be growing it, right? That will be covered by utilizing the under utilized section like a rooftop, balconies section, and a vertical farming, inside house farming. By considering these factors, we will be able to support the farming needs in upcoming features. So now it's the right time to we should get aware and adopt the new technologies that can help us in surviving our things, and we can by this we will be able to become a more dependent instead of importing foods from outside. So with this small introduction with respect to our farming for all, this is not only the one section. Apart from that, we will be also introducing a many new devices so that it can make the farming easy. And with this collaboration, definitely it will reach our destination will be reaching to the more states, since by joining hands, we already have reached with Tamil Nadu and Karnataka with your presence, and also joining with your partners, we will be helping to support the farmer. And yes, we will be able to bring a change in the farmer's life. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the wonderful insight about the company. And I think definitely we are really extremely proud to join hands with you and take this forward. And I personally feel, these kind of initiatives to lift farmers, not only farmers, it will lift many other communities as well. That's what we are able to analyze from whatever you have discussed so far before the meeting as well. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now we have Gitanjali ma'am, founder of Amar Push Education Society, to share a few words on the educational impact created by Amar Push to our community. Please go ahead, ma'am.
Hello, everyone. Amar Pushp Educational and Welfare Society is mainly working for women and kids who are not able to go to school, not able to gain knowledge, education. We are doing for that, and something for women who are really want to do work but not able to do. We think that they should sit at home and do their work and earn some earnings, but with that they can help for their family, kids, for their development, so that they can grow themselves actually, वो थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ सके. So that is for that. Amar Pushp is doing that work. Thank you.
Fantastic work, ma'am. Really impressive. And doing something for women is always something we are also passionate about. I think Boneshwari ma'am will pitch in few things. And we are very much honored to be part of Amar Pushp as well, Education for All. Thanks a lot for sharing the insights about the organization that you are heading. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Boneshwari ma'am is the president of Raj Square Charity Foundation, who will shed some light on the activities we are currently involved in and the future plans that we are planning to execute. Over to you, ma'am.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I'm audible?
You're audible, but I think there is some network problem.
Hello. Yeah, it's raining here actually.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. You are audible. Yes.
Yes, please go ahead, ma'am.
It's actually raining here. I think some disturbance.
No problem.
Okay. First of all, I would like to wish Gitanjali ma'am and Ashish sir a very happy anniversary. I want to, and whatever you aspire in your life, everything should come true, and you should do a lot of things to the society. We are very happy to be associated with you for both farming for all and for the. And I would also like to welcome our special partner, Mr. Bala Subramaniam, trustee of Mangala Deepam. Actually, Raj Square, we just started in a very small way, which is established in 2020 Jan 1st. Initially, we were supporting only the students for a free for program informally. Later, under the leadership of Mithilesh Satyanarayan, we formed a trust and the late brothers by name Raj, and that is how it has come Raj Square. We actually focus on students enablement, faculty enablement, youth empowerment, women empowerment, rural people enablement, digital empowerment, skill development, research and innovations, entrepreneurship, sports development. We focus on three main things, that is pink health, blue education, and green agro India. Under the pink health, we have Fit India movement. We come across like, a healthcare like high care, breast cancer, menstrual hygiene. And in the blue education, we help the students learn for free. Then we have a STEM, science, technology, English and mathematics, youth talent, women in science and engineering called WISE, women innovation research WIRE, and we recently launched campus radio at a zero cost for the students' enablement in all the universities, and we are trying for pan-India. Again, in the green initiative, we are spreading agriculture knowledge to wherever it's possible, sustainable agriculture and food production, sustainable smart waste management. So this is what we are focusing on Raj Square. So we would like to be very happy to be connected with you to take it more forward. Now I would like to speak about Mr. Balasubramaniam, who is the founder and managing trustee of Mangaladipam. He is our social partner based out of Chennai. He is a multifaceted personality with extensive experience. He believes working with team. He is a person with strong communication skills. His voluntary works are innumerable, and his focus is on education and empowerment. His guiding principles are highly transparency and honesty. Sir, I would like to, we would like to hear a few words from you, sir. Balasubramaniam, sir.
Thank you, Bhuvaneshwari madam. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Thank you, Bhuvaneshwari madam. Thank you, Bidalesh. Thank you, Ashish sir. Thank you, Geetanjali madam. Thank you all for inviting me to this historical session today. I start with my congratulations to Ashish sir and Geetanjali madam for a very, very happy wedding anniversary. I wish them another at least 100 years of staying together. My only suggestion is that let work, don't give importance to work all the time. Enjoy life. Life has to be celebrated, and both of you enjoy life at least for next 100 years together. This is my wish. Number one. Number two is today is a very historical day because the most important field in India, sector in India, agriculture, and one of the fastest, most demanding technologies in the world, technology updation coming together for the benefit of poor farmers. It's a very historical occasion. I would like to congratulate all the young guns here, starting with Mithilesh, Bhuvaneshwari madam, Ashish sir, Geetanjali madam, for joining together in this wonderful, innovative idea, innovative initiative, I would say that. Let me tell you, please go. Please, technology can definitely influence our lives in a very, very larger way. And wherever I go, I keep Mithilesh in mind only because he is the one person who can take India to the next level of development. This is very important. Money cannot play an important role. Human resources cannot play that much of an important role. What will play an important role is technology updation. Continuously focus on innovation. I don't know how far you all know. I just would like to say one example, how ITC, then known as India Tobacco Company, as a part of their CSR initiatives, set up huge e-Chowpal centers in Andhra Pradesh to coordinate with farmers on tobacco procurement. A farmer who was cultivating tobacco in Andhra Pradesh, he was solely dependent on money lords, landlords for his survival. With intervention of ITC, each and every farmer became a lakpati, and some of the farmers even became crorepati because ITC joined hands with the farmers, brought technology innovation at their doorstep, increased their output, increased their profit margins, and sourced their raw materials for their factories. This is how an effective collaboration can bring benefit to the communities. I wish that Farming for All and MIT Square replicate this success in Indian stories and take this to the other underdeveloped countries in the world for the benefit of the farmers throughout the world. This is my humble wish. And more than this, when the farmer strike is going on, this is really a painful situation as on today. I see the, light at the end of the tunnel with initiatives like this for the farmers. Let me wish you once again, anything I can do sitting in this small place in Chennai, I will definitely do it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And now coming to Mangala Deepam. Mangala Deepam was started by me in April 2019 on my relocation from Calcutta. I always believe in only one thing. Unless you lift the capacities of the poor and the marginalized, the country can never prosper. And rightly, Mangala Deepam addresses, Deepam stands for development through education and the empowerment of the poor and the marginalized. And Mangala means auspicious. I started in April 2019, and among my various initiatives, focus on government schools is one of the most important one, because for a country to create large human resource pool, you need affordable education, and that is possible only with government schools. And since government schools lack in a lot of infrastructure facilities and also quality of education, Mangala Deepam had planned for large-scale intervention in government schools, and we focus on sanitation. We focus on creation of a lot of infrastructural facilities. We focus on communication multi-skilling programs. We want to make each and every one of our school a role model in that particular area, so that when a benchmarking takes place with some of the best private schools, my focus government schools will become number one in days to come. This is number one. And I started with one school in April 2019. Today, I am into almost 26 schools. I am in all the segments, primary, middle, high, and higher secondary. We have already provided toilets in about 7 schools. 2 are under construction. 3 I am planning to take up in the next 10 days. Another 5 will come up by July. So by about August, in a period of 2 years, we will have our own toilet blocks in near about 13 or 14 schools, costing around 70 or 80 lakhs. And I would like to say, this is possible. This has been possible because only of Rotary Temple City, who are our patrons. This is Mangala Deepam is a single volunteer driven. So I have my own limitations. I am not young like you all guys. I am a senior citizen with a lot of limitations on every front, whether you call it energy level, or you call it resources level, or technology level, or education level. In spite of all that, I am moving ahead. And only thing is that I'm positive. By working with young guns like you, I tend to become more and more young, and that strength will give me more opportunities to work together. Thank you so much. Anything I can do for you all together, I am open to do. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the wonderful speech, and it's very inspiring. And to have a personality like you is always keeping us on the go. And definitely, age is just a number, and you're proving it every single day. So, which means that when we come to your age, if we can do something 10% of what you're doing, I think that means like we are really contributing to the society. That's what I believe, sir.
I do agree with you, Dr. Mithilesh, because it's a very
And
inspiring.
in fact, I just would like to say, in fact, day for yesterday only, we have formed a cluster of about 12 schools in a radius of about 10 kilometers, in which about 3 higher secondary schools will be there, 3 high schools will be there, 2 primary schools will be there, and 2 this one. And one of my sister organizations, they have signed an agreement with the state project director for which is called the transformation of the schools.
Fantastic.
This is there actually. In fact, we will be start working from 1st May on that.
Fantastic, sir. Actually, we would like to collaborate with Ashish sir's team, that we can have another separate discussion.
Sure.
We can set up maybe in the next few days. Ashish sir wants to mention something. Sir, please go ahead. Sir.
So, Dr. Mithilesh, before we move ahead with it, I would like to invite Dr. Amit Saigal, who is the director of Sharda Launchpad. Please, Dr. Amit Saigal, please enlighten about you and your organization.
Welcome, sir. Please.
Thank you, Ashish. Very good afternoon to everyone. Very happy New Year. So this is definitely a very special day for the whole country and obviously for the couple Ashish ji and Gitanjali ji. So it's a special day for their life also. So I've been associated with this Farming for All initiative of Ashish ji and his team since now it's been almost 1.5 years. And I'm working as director of Sharda Launchpad Federation, which is a professional incubator based near Delhi in Noida in Sharda University. So we keep working with these initiatives. We work on both the domains, the for-profit business ventures as well as not-for-profit other ventures like NGOs and other Section 8 companies. So in this way, we are connected with both Farming for All as a company, private limited company, as well as Amar Push as an NGO. So we are associated with both these domains, the initiatives which this team is running. And technically, since I'm from a technical background, so that was my initial engagement with Farming for All, working on their technology aspects. This is a very common thing now. There are so many people, there are so many teams who are working in this area, working towards smart farming, building the applications. But one interesting thing that I found here is that their focus was not simply on adding something, some device and giving it to somebody and then not bothering that what is happening after that. So the connectivity which they have given, the cloud feature that they have added, the data analytics which they are adding into it, so that provides a long-term support and long-term engagement with the farmers or whoever is going to use it. It could be the greenhouses or it could be the terrace farming, at home farming. So you will be able to provide them to support information to support them uh, for over a longer period of time. So that's a very interesting part, which most of the systems are missing. It's a great initiative that they have taken. And for Amar Push, obviously supporting the people underprivileged children and women who are at home who don't have too much opportunities to earn, so they either can go and work like laborers or just be at home and not contribute to the development of their family. So empowering them with some kind of skills through which they can make some contribution while being at their home, while taking care of their children at the home. So that is a very good initiative, and they actually work at home. So this is the basic objective of our not-for-profit division, where we support such kind of initiatives. That we don't just want some NGOs that say that okay, do some charity. So we absolutely do not promote charity. We clearly say that come up with a venture, come up with a not-for-profit venture, and let's find out a problem, a real problem which is there available at a very large scale and which can be solved through some ground level work. And this is the kind of work which Ashish ji and his team is doing through Amarpur. So I'm very happy to be associated with these two initiatives of them, both Farming for All and Amar Push. And my all best wishes to them. And with this engagement through your organizations, so I'm sure that we'll be able to reach to a much larger segment of population. We'll able to provide support to many bigger segments, to quite diverse kind of people who require these kind of support. And definitely this engagement, this MOU is going to take them to much bigger heights. Thank you very much for adding me here.
Thank you, Dr. Amit. Thanks a lot for sharing your valuable thoughts. And I would like to invite Dr. Mithilesh to share something about the MIT Square.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, Amit sir, for your wonderful talk and very inspiring. Definitely, we will continue to work together. We will continue to discuss on various aspects. Now, coming to MIT Square, it's headquartered in Bangalore, which is a high-tech industry city, and the company has a presence in UK. That's where I'm heading, and we also have a network office in Singapore. MIT stands for Management and Innovation for Transformation, and the square represents people, process, product, and the profit with the tagline, "We transform life." Our core technical team is from IITs and of course from universities in London. We all jointly working on various initiatives. MIT Square believes in transforming the lives of people, not just restricted to education sector. It can be for healthcare sector, it can be for agro sector, by synchronizing the fragmented business ecosystem with our growing essential necessities for bettering well-being in various domains. We support incubation, startup, business operations, talent enablement, training and learning, internships, talent acquisition, innovations, patent filing, product development, manufacturing sectors, and of course, supply of various technologies and non-technological products. currently we are focusing on digital India. We are closely focusing on Make in India products, Startup India, Stand Up India, Skill India, Self-Reliant India. That's again more for the women's empowerment side of it. We are trying to gain more momentum working on various initiatives. I'm sure the trend will continue to keep moving forward, upward, exponentially, and MIT Square will be playing a key role by working closely with Farming for All and with Amar Pushp. India now currently turning into a manufacturing hub with a Make for World model. We are passionate and committed in making our dream a reality by providing various services and products within India and abroad. We are extremely happy to be associated with Ashish sir and Gitanjali ma'am. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Dr. Mithilesh, a wonderful insight about the MIT Square. And thank you, ma'am, for giving details about the Raj Square. Thank you, Balasubramanian sir, about telling about your work as well as about your organization. It's really nice. Now I can see we have, by collaborating, and Dr. Amit Saigal was also told about the Sharda Launchpad and about the Sharda University being a knowledge partner. So now all these people are coming together and working towards to the betterment of the farming as a technology and with the farmers and children education. I can see a nice inspiration with all of us. We have it, and collaboratively we can work together and help out the people what the aim is ourselves. So without wasting much more time, now it's time to do a signing of the MOUs.
Definitely,
Yeah.
sir.
So I'll be asking for the Gitanjali ma'am to sign the MOUs, and please come forward and you can show it from your desk what you have signed it. So this is a MOU signing between Amar Pushp and Raj Square. So yeah. So Gitanjali ma'am, you can stand up, and then we can, that's in that way that will be good. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, just now with you, that's it. Perfectly fine. That's go back. Yeah. Thank you, Mithilesh sir. Let me take a snapshot. Gitanjali ma'am also need to see. I can take a one screenshot. Yeah, I've taken it up. Thank you. Now it's the time for me for Farming for All, and I might be square to sign the MOU. Let me give it to me.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Thank
Best
you,
of
sir.
luck.
Thanks a lot, ma'am, and thanks a lot for all of you. So with this, now we all are together, and just we are looking forward so that we can have our regular meetings and stay and clear up with how we are proceed and share the details with each other.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much, Ashish sir, Gitanjali ma'am, for taking, even during your celebration time, you have come forward to,
No,
sign. Thank you, ma'am.
no,
Thank you.
no. Actually, there's a corona outside. No celebration.
And
Only at
celebration
home
at home
only.
only.
Okay,
Nothing is.
yeah, but
Right.
this is another way of celebrating.
Yeah,
Of course,
it's
we are
a whole
celebrating
house
for the-
celebrations. And
That's
because we wanted to always start that many good things, it should happen with the students, children, because this is every year we used to go outside and celebrate with the children. But this time we have not worked with the children, but we are working with you for the children. So our
great.
legacy has continued past 10 years.
Fantastic, sir. Fantastic. We are very happy to be associated. And special thanks to Balasubramanian sir and Amit sir for joining us today. And with your presence, it has made much more, greater and lively. And I'm sure this will take us forward. All of us, we can work together and keep this going.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I
Thank
just
you.
noticed.
Thank you very
Thank you very much.
I just noticed. Sorry for. I just know that Vishal Kali is also joined. Hi Vishal. So he's the marketing head in Farming for All. So Vishal, please, before we end up, we just want you to come up and speak about 1 minute about yourself. Vishal, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, please.
Just switching on the system. Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. I take care of marketing for Farming for All. I'm a BSc Agriculture with 20 years work experience, out of which 5 to 6 years has been in agri inputs handling, as you know, an agri inputs at an end-to-end business, right from logistics and rate management to the sales and marketing. You have one person in each area has to handle everything. So that's my basic background. I'm working with the Farming for All to set up the entire marketing systems and processes so that it should be a growing organization and it should operate in a very professional and professional manner so that the company can grow and scale up. Those are my current attributes. So we are in the middle of doing some good things. Once this Corona thing subsides, then maybe we can look at a fast scale up.
Sure, sir.
So that's about me.
Yeah. Thank you, Vishal. Thanks a lot for sharing. And I'm done from myself. So does anybody have wanted to share something before we close ahead?
So from our side, I think we are all done. So we are really excited to work together.
Sure.
And it's a fantastic day for us.
Almost. That's once again, thanks all of you for joining us.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you, Balasubramanian,
Safe
sir,
job.
for
Thanks a lot.
Thank you all. Thank you all for the opportunity given to me today to join the session. Again, wishing you all the very best. Whatever I can do from my side, I will definitely chip in. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Thank you,
all.
sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ashish sir,
Thank you,
and
everyone.
Gitanjali ma'am. Have a wonderful evening.
Yes,
Enjoy with your family. So God, stay blessed.
With all of you, all of you have made our day because this is a really memorable day for us. That all of you are wonderful people as we have joined together and celebrated our marriage anniversary as well as a new relationship with us. Thanks a lot.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Thank
this final remarks. We are closing the session. Thank you all of you for joining it.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you very much.
Thank you and best wishes to all. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, madam.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.